guys, so this is the free Generac 7,000 watt generator. It's given to me from one of my relatives. There's a little control panel, and it's a dual fuel supply, so you can actually use the onboard tank, and then I have another tank that they gave me, and that's what that hose is for. This was stored inside in a garage as a backup generator for many years. I was told they bought it new in 1977. It was sitting in the same spot ever since. Here's your settings. Sorry about the light there. They call it alternator data. It's got electric start. And like the old engines, you can actually hook a rope on it and start it. It's got a 16 horsepower Briggs and Stratton motor. So the next step is to get her unloaded, put her in the garage, and start going through. Obviously the fuel tank's probably got some rust in it. My relative wasn't exactly sure the last time that it has been started. However, it has been turned over probably several years ago, but as you can see, it spins over nice and free. Anyways guys, this is just a short video of the generator I got from my relative, and the price was right. It was free. So this is the new toy to tinker with. So you may want to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos on the old generator. Thanks for watching. Alright, it's in the garage, and this thing is heavy. I would say this weighs easily twice what a new generator would weigh. This is super heavy, a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. And thank God I got a 15-year-old that's about 6'2" and 250 pounds. It's able to help me lift this big beast. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Take care.